Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 Python projects you can build in under 10 minutes each. These are really simple, beginner friendly and at the same time very useful. I'll written all 5 here. First I'll show you the project in Python and then I'll come back here to show you how we can improve it further. So let's get started with our first project. Alright, let's start with a calculator. This project will take two numbers as input and then ask the user which operation they want to perform. Here's what's happening. They're asking the user for two numbers and storing them in A and B. Then we ask which operation they want: plus, minus, multiply or divide. Using if-else, we check which operator they entered and print the result. If they type something else, it shows invalid operation. Let's test it. I'll enter 5 and 3. And I'll choose plus, we get 8. And the result is perfect. To improve this, you can add GUI using tkinter, or you can just extend it to include more operations like modulus or power. Now let's build a very simple to-do list application. We'll give the user 3 options: add a task, view task or exit. We have an empty list called task inside a while loop. While true loop, we keep asking the user what they want to do. If they press 1, we ask for a new task and add it to a list. If they press 2, we show all the tasks. If they press 3, the loop breaks and the program ends. It's super basic, but it works. Let's run it. If we run this, if you press 1, we can enter the task. If we press 2, we can see the task is added. And if we press 3, the loop breaks. You can improve this by saving the task in a file so they don't get lost, or even connect it to a database for a real to-do app. Now let's create something really practical, a random password generator. This is great for security. We import random and string. String dot ASCII letters gives us A to Z and A to Z. It basically gives us A to Z and A to Z. String dot digits gives us 0 to 9, and string punctuation gives us the special characters. We combine all of them in one string called characters. Then we randomly choose characters for the given length and join them together. Finally, we'll print the password. Let's run this. Password length. So if I enter 12, it will give me secure 12 character password. You can see the generated password. To improve this, you can let the user choose password strength, weak, medium, or strong, or you can even build a GUI app with a button. Now let's do a fun one, a number guessing game. We generate a random number between 1 to 10 using randint. Then we ask the user to guess it. If the guess is wrong, we keep asking until they get it right. Once they guess correctly, we print a success message. Simple and fun. We run this. We can see the number was 4. You can improve this by adding difficulty levels like easy, medium, hard, or by limiting the number of tries and keeping a score. Finally, let's build a simple quiz game. We store questions and the correct answers in a dictionary. Then we loop through each question, ask the user and check the answer. If it matches, we add 1 in the score. At the end, we print the total score. Right now, it has only 2 questions, but you can easily add more. So if we run this, so I'll type. If we run this, if I type wrong answer, so we can see score is 0. So you can improve this by adding more questions or loading them from a file or an API, or even giving multiple choice answers instead of typing. So that's it. We just built 5 Python projects in under 10 minutes each. Calculator, to-do list, random password generator, number guessing game, simple quiz game. And we also discussed how you can make each of them bigger and better. Which project did you like the most? Comment below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends who are learning Python. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.